guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my amazing jewelry haul, and this is going to be specifically for anti-tarnish jewelry. So yeah, if this is something that interests you, please keep on watching. Before getting into the video guys, if you're someone new and looking at this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ramya. I make beauty and lifestyle content. So if that is something that interests you, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free, and yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button because it helps me reach to a wider audience. So yeah, without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. So if you're seeing a pile of bag over here, that is nothing but it's completely filled with jewelry. So I have a lot of hauls coming up, so be subscribed to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the anti-tarnish jewelry collection I have from Amazon. So yeah, I have these 3 boxes filled with jewelry, and also I have a couple of jewelry pieces that I have been using in my day-to-day life. Let's go one by one. So the first jewelry I want to show you is the one which I'm wearing right here. This is the piece, the chain with a heart pendant, and this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, this looks like a natural gold shade and not cheapest one, so you can see the quality is very decent. It can imitate like a gold chain as well. You can see how it looks on me. I got this chain 3 to 4 months ago, and I've been using it on and off, and you can see it did not tarnish at all. So quality wise, I can vouch for this particular brand. By the way guys, this is not a collaboration or a sponsored video, and all the opinions are going to be my honest opinions, and also these things were bought from my own hard-earned money. The links will be down in the description box. The prices will be flashed on the screen. Jewelries I'm going to show you in today's video are from Salvay. Salvay is a brand that makes anti-tarnish jewelry, and the jewelry is of very good quality. It does not look flimsy at all. That's one of the main reason why I gravitate towards their jewelry. So I have few new pieces from them, and like I said, this is how the first piece looks like, and the next piece I'm going to show you is from here. So look at the packaging guys, it looks premium, and yeah, you get the jewelry something packed like this. And so as you guys can see over here, I will include the clips over here. This is a chain with a bow in it. This is not a dollar, so when you wear it, the bow will come over here. This is more like a choker, and this is how it looks like. If you want to wear minimal jewelry for your office parties or anywhere, you can wear this. So this is such a statement piece. If you're someone who loves choker, or if you are someone who likes simple jewelry, to wear minimal jewelry for a party or an outing, this is a piece that you should get. So the next piece I have over here is a set of earrings. So yeah, this is something I wanted to invest in because yeah, the same kind of set I have bought from Meesho. The sets I bought from Meesho or any other shop is actually black in color now. After 2 uses, you just have to throw them away. So that's how it becomes. So far this set, I have used a couple of earrings from them at least 4 to 5 times by now, and you can see guys, it did not tarnish at all. Absolutely mind-blowing. And it's like it comes with a set of hoops, like 1 2 3 pair of bigger hoops. You have one with pearl set as well, and 3 pair of smaller hoops. These are something you can wear for a simple office wear, and also you have a nice pearl studded hoops over here, and in between you have 3 pairs of studs, one with the pearl, one with the zircon stone, one with a plain gold stub. Absolutely worth your money, and these are versatile because you can wear it for your work, you can wear it for your party. So you have to get just one set of earrings, and you have variety of rings over there. So yeah, if you're someone who loves hoops, you can try this. So the next thing I want to show you from Salvay is again something that is very trending on the internet, which is nothing but this one. This is the snake chain So yeah, right now if you see, it's going viral on internet. Snake chains are everywhere and it's more like a statement piece again now. I know I'm saying these things as statement pieces. Most of you might not agree with me, but to be frank, guys, nowadays minimal jewelry is the trend. So minimal jewelry and chic jewelry is a trend right now. So snake chains are one of the most staple chains, guys. If you know me, I just have a very few amount of necklaces or chains in my collection, and I use them again and again. And also buying this kind of chains are very useful because you can stack them. They are very stackable, so you can mix and match with other jewelry and make it look very chic. So that is the reason I suggest you guys to go with classic pieces and something that is very staple, so that this one you can wear it on your own. You can also stack with this particular chain, also this will look beautiful on you. Then you can also wear it every day. So the last piece I'm going to show you is again a daily wear jewelry. This is how it looks like. This is from the brand Minute, I think that's how we pronounce it. I got this exactly 7 months ago and I have used this almost 100 times. You can see it still looks new. It did not tarnish at all. So this is one of the brand, if you're looking for affordable kind of anti-tarnish jewelry, Salve and Minute is the brand that you should go for. These two brands make absolutely beautiful pieces, and also they also have perfectly statement pieces, like more bigger jewelry, thicker jewelries. So if you're interested in such kind of pieces as well, you can check their website out, or you can go to Amazon and check their pieces out. So I know this video has been very short, so right now this is my collection of anti-tarnish jewelry, and I in future I'll be buying more of the jewelry. Out of anti-tarnish, the entire bag I have over here are some affordable kind of earrings and chains. So if this is something you'd like to watch on my channel, please let me know. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.